You bought insurance, you paid for years, then when you needed it, your claim was rejected. Now you're angry. You say insurance is a scam. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most insurance disappointments in Ghana happen because people choose the wrong policy. In this video, I'll show you how to choose the right insurance policy in Ghana without being misled, pressured, or confused. This is the Risk Lens with Dennis. Many people buy insurance because a friend scared them, an agent pressured them. Someone said something bad might happen. Insurance should not be emotional. It should be strategic. Before buying any policy, ask, what risk am I trying to protect against? Not, what policy is popular? Not, what is my friend buying? But, what specific financial loss would hurt me the most? If you don't define the risk first, you will buy the wrong product. Ask yourself, if this happens tomorrow, can I recover financially? Examples. If you own a car, can you afford to pay for an accident? If you run a shop, can you rebuild if fire destroys your stock? If you are the breadwinner, can your family survive without your income? Insurance is not about everything. It is about what you cannot afford to lose. This is where many people get misled. Agents talk about benefits, but smart buyers ask about exclusions. Ask, what exactly does this cover? What does it not cover? Under what conditions will a claim be rejected? Is there a waiting period? Are there limits? For example, some health policies do not cover pre-existing conditions. Some motor policies don't cover certain drivers. Some life policies require medical disclosure. If you don't ask questions, you may discover the truth only when filing a claim. The cheapest policy is not always the best, and the most expensive policy is not always superior. Instead of asking, how much is the premium? Ask, what protection am I getting for this premium? Look at coverage limits, deductibles, claim settlement reputation, financial strength of the insurer. A cheaper policy with poor coverage can be more expensive in the long run. Before buying any policy in Ghana, confirm that the company is licensed by the National Insurance Commission. Check. Is the company reputable? Do they have a history of paying claims? Are there complaints online? Insurance is a promise, and a promise is only as strong as the company behind it. Never sign an insurance document you haven't read. Even if the agent says, it's standard. Even if they say, trust me, you are legally bound by what you sign. Take your time. If you don't understand something, ask. Insurance is a contract, not a donation. Let's quickly highlight common mistakes. Buying because of pressure, not declaring full information, ignoring policy exclusions. Choosing the cheapest option blindly. Failing to review the policy annually. Insurance should evolve as your life changes. Marriage, new business, new property, more children. Your coverage should adjust. Here is the simple formula. Identify your biggest financial risk. Choose coverage that matches that risk. Verify the insurer. Read the contract. Review annually. Insurance is not about fear. It is about financial stability. Insurance is not a scam, but buying blindly is a mistake. When you choose wisely, insurance becomes one of the most powerful financial tools you can have. If this video helped you, subscribe to the Risk Lens with Dennis, because risk is everywhere, but ignorance is optional.